and we can't wait until the end of history for that.
When there was not a strikes, we were coming here, watching up. Man, it was crazy, man. They were bombing until 5 o'clock in the morning and you couldn't sleep. Crazy night. Look, 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 look. Oh, what the fuck? What the fuck is that? You know what? We were not afraid. Because in the city, they cannot damage in the city, you know. In the city, you're okay, but they are bombing the city, but only armies places. So, is that helicopter there? I told you, you cannot change the world, you know. You can change some things, but not all, everything, you know. They are bigger than you, you know. It's like you're a little fish and you cannot fight with a big fish, you know. Much, much bigger, 10 times bigger, you know. Oh, he's the papa. Look, the papa. There's the old man, father. The father is there. Papa. Papa. Tata. Motherfucker. I think a couple of years ago, when Milosevic is gone, then come, you know, some changings, like there are a lot of these big shopping centers that people go and buy, you know, just buy, you know. This capitalism was happening here. It's rough capitalism, it's really hard capitalism, how to say, not sweet, you know, it's strictly, you know. This capitalism is killing people, you know. It's hard, man. Of course it's hard. You don't have purity. Like, listen to this. If you want to work something, you cannot earn much more money, you know. Okay, you have paid, but this paid, if you pay the flat, you know, pay the electricity, water, telephone, and then you have very little money just to go out. And you can have trip somewhere to go and travel out. Everybody wants to be happy. You know? Yeah. And then I see the, like, man, like it's very small, just want to be happy, you know? But you cannot, you know, like walk on the street and I say one day, man, I'm immortal. What the fuck you are, man? What the fuck you are, you know?
can't achieve anything. It's a lot of talking rather than acting. They are worried about their next rent, about their pension. I don't want to be worried, yeah, and I don't want to complain either. I'm the little unexperienced anything, just coming from uni, so I'm very selfish in going where I want to go.